Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make cucumber salad. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning and cut. Let's go do it. Okay, first I'm gonna chop cucumber first. I'm chop this way. I make it easy, so I just cut piece like that, right? So I keep going. Just be careful your hand, but I used to do it. I'm good with it. Don't worry because I'm good about it. I used to do this way. Just keep cutting until I finish it up. Easy to eat, just little small piece. Cucumber salad is very good. I make spicy cucumber salad. You guys have eaten before? If you don't eat before, if you don't have that before, try that. You love it. Try. It's so easy to make. Yeah, keep going until I'm done. Like that. Or you can cut small piece like that. It's fine too. If you're scared and I chop your hand, you just can go like that. For me, I used to do it, so I'm fine with that. Okay, cucumbers done. Okay, I'm gonna chop the garlic. I'm gonna chop the hot pepper and lime. Everything prep. Then I show you how to put them together.
Yeah, see, because of the car, how you gonna get back? I mean, how you can't leave your car, yeah? I guess they didn't drive over there to your house. Now, if it ain't raining tomorrow, you know, maybe we can try again. We'll see.
Last one.
Okay. Bye.
This kind of salad is a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C come from lime juice. Vitamin C come from hot pepper. So the more you eat hot pepper, the more stay younger. Okay, let's go start it. I have a palm sugar or whey palm sugar, fish sauce. This is Lao fish sauce, padek. Okay, let's go start it. So easy, simple, guys, very easy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. I prep everything. Hot pepper, garlic, everything go all in. Okay, lime juice go all in. Palm sugar, just a little bit palm sugar to make a good balance. This is padek, Lao fish sauce. Okay, and the last one gonna be Thai fish sauce. Alright, let's go mix. Alright, let's mix them together. If not enough, we always add on. It's simple, easy to make the cucumber salad, but this is spicy one and tasty. You can eat with fish, grilled fish, you can eat with grilled chicken, you can eat with steak or pork, anything. Name it. You can eat with anything and with rice. Okay guys, this smells so good already. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. I taste the juice. If the juice says yes, that means yes. So good. I need more fish sauce. That's it. It's done just like that. This is how you make cucumber salad, guys, and you can eat with anything. Yep. That's it. Just like that. There you have it, cucumber salad, guys. This is nice and spicy and have a garlic taste and spicy taste and good sour. It's very good, so you can eat with any kind of meat. So in this point, just sit on the side and waiting for my rice cooking, and then I'm gonna cook another food eat with this one.